We're just out from Villamor. Diba, there's a golf club over there, but over the wall. Villamor Golf Club. Oh, yeah. Kami, yeah, we're going to Makati.
Join us po.
So namin is Villamor. So the Villamor Golf Club is just at the back of these walls. Pero mana, we're on our way to Makati, gikan sa Pasay, gikan sa Newport City. Now we're on our way. So we have to pass by Villamor Air Base na Villamor. Oh, di ba na vicinity. Oh, including atong mga balay. And mana. Diri nami padung nami sa Pasong Tamo. Oh, diba? Or sa white space man nimi ron. No. So naman ni diri. Oh, this is a Villamor Air Base Elementary School. Wala, tapat na to is the golf course. We're on our way. On our way na. So, uwi ko an. Anyway, awahi man ang malaki. Matubo na sa Eman mga pag high school. Alright. Gagmay na Johnny. So here is the Pasay City South High School. Muna na ito, kuha na ito. So whatever kanang some roads we're not familiar with, diba? So we are here for an event in Manila, and nagkaroon event spaces in Manila. I think dili money kuha pa sa Cebu kayo. It's event spaces, so diba? Okay. Dili mag-launch og mga products, in a way press cons. So we need event spaces, and sa Cebu normally i-hold us mga hotels, but in Manila there's really event spaces na specialized, diba? For large spaces that can cater a crowd, pwede mga kasal, diba? But even corporate, kasi sometimes when itag kasal usay medyo na pang romantic, but this time they have pang kuan yun, pang corporate. So this is Pasay City. So on our way to Makati. So I haven't really been here for quite a while. So even if I was living in Manila way back, I don't think I go to Villamor Air Base. There was no reason. Probably had friends who lived here, but we stay in the dorm or near the campus, or we just eat in the campus. So I don't go to their houses. So ano eh. So there, entrance of Villamor Air Base golf course. So we're gonna go to Rojas. We'll go over there. Kita pa dong mga bendiyara. So di naman tapasudlon sa police. Walhin man, that's boy. So this is the Pasay, the travel city. Kaya sa branding ang Pasay, the travel city. So dili man gud ang mga airport. So perfect, the travel city gud. So maning Manila traffic, guys. So today is a Friday, so we have a quick event din. Maadto na sa Miss Airport because we can't be late for our flight, but na. So ano nga yung agent ay yung kuan nyo, yung rent a car nyo na grupo?
JBB po.
JBB?
Ano po?
Iba pala.
RX Transport Service.
Ang gamit nito. At yung sticker nito, ano yung sticker niyo na may agila?
Tayo po kasi.
Yeah. Pero GPB kayo, kayo yung kinuha ng yeah. Minsan kasi they get, vans from other if they have a lot of requirements, di ba? Tutulungan lang, pasahan lang.
Saka kailangan po kasi talaga may trangkisa.
Di ba? Mga DOT registered and
Yes po.
dili kayo kolorom, hinuhuli pa rin yan.
Yes,
Diba? Pero marami pa rin nagkukolorom. pero diba? Pero yes. At least may sticker sila.
Hello ka ba? Dito kami sa may Makati. Kalapit lang sa Terminal 3. Papaset.
Yeah, there.
Hindi pa alam eh. Bibigay ko sa yung number niya.
Right.
Bibigay ko sa iyo. Sige. Okay, sige.
So,
Thank you.
Tanawin lang labanganan le. Ilang walkies babawa.
Okay, thank you.
Diba? So ito, you can see na may pedestrian walkway sila sa babaw. Which is mas dali na lang, but say lagi. Mga tao di ganahan magkuhan, so bawal yung mag-walking din rin. Sa taas ka na lang, di ba? So the walkway connects, several blocks na yan, including these commercial centers.
Kasi mababato natin mamaya. Mababato natin yung punta.
Pasok na mga extension na tayo. So,
Okay, pati mo.
diretso na, we're gonna go.
Ito na kukuha.
Ito ka sa itong old office na gili. So we had an event before here. Pero we were staying very close sa Kwan. Way back. Yeah, we were very close to our hotel. So na yung mga green GSM mo agi. Hindi ka kita ka na. So abot na tada yun. So this is the other end of pasok to mga extension. Na naman hindi ba? Diba? Or Chino Roses. Welcome aboard. Welcome to Makati, guys. So finally, we're in Makati. Diba? That's Makati. So, mauna ni. No, Pasay yan. So, rana, pasok ta muli. Uy, BYD nang I used to work there in the Pitali, BYD na din rin. So, mauna ni din eh. So, mauna na. Pasok ta mo, extension. So, white space ta. Diba? So, white space, event space. Dire, yagi kita dapit dito. Kuhan man to dito. BGC naman to dito dapit. Yeah. Ano man Makati. So, yeah. We're here at white space. So no, ina. Ako sa'yo paliton sa'yo ka? Alright. Ganyan ang buntag. Diba? Upat ka oras.
Pero 8 p.m. 8 p.m. pa naman.
Damn.
Sama kami.
So here's White Space Event Center, and that's where we're going. So we were here last year, But we were staying nearby for this time. Sa Pasay tayo, but you know,
Vloggers.
good job. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and watch my video for this one.